We all know that being a manager is no easy job. There are lots of things constantly demanding your attention: emails, meetings, and urgent requests. These can make it feel like there's never enough time to focus on what truly matters for your role as a manager. Hi everyone, my name is Isabel and I'm a tech and product leader based in Sydney, Australia. Today I want to talk about a growing recognition of the importance of deep work, the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. Deep work can significantly increase your productivity and creativity, but finding the time for it is often easier said than done. Therefore, I would like to share with you 5 actionable tips on how to carve out time for deep work. These strategies are designed to help you not only manage your time more effectively, but also elevate your team performance and achieve greater results. The first tip is to theme your workdays. This involves assigning your specific themes or focuses to each day of the week. For instance, you might dedicate Mondays to be strategic planning day, Tuesday to be team development day, and Wednesday to be meetings day. By theming your day, you can batch similar tasks together, reducing the cognitive load that comes from constantly switching between different types of activities and different types of work. Theme days help create a structured environment where you can immerse yourself more deeply in a specific kind of work. Knowing that a particular day is dedicated to strategic tasks, for example, allow you to mentally prepare and set aside the time needed to deep dive without interruptions. Second tip is to know your priorities. As a manager, it's easy to get caught up in a urgent tasks that are not necessarily important. To avoid this, take time each week to identify your top priorities. Ask yourself, what are the 3 most important tasks that will have the greatest impact on my team and my organization goals? And once you know your priorities, schedule time for them on your calendar, treating these appointments as admissible as any meetings. This ensures that you allocate time for deep work on a task that truly matters rather than getting sidetracked by less important activities. The next tip is to separate strategic and tactical work. Strategic work involves long term planning and decision making, while tactical work is about executing short term tasks. Both are essential, but they require different mindset and environments. I encourage you to dedicate specific blocks of time to each type of work. For example, you might reserve mornings for strategic thinking when your mind is fresh and afternoons for tactical tasks. This separation allows you to focus deeply on strategic activities without the distraction of day to day operations, leading to more thoughtful and impactful decisions. The fourth tip is to delegate effectively. As a manager, your role is not to do everything yourself, but to empower your team to take ownership of tasks. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others, freeing up your time for deep work. Delegation is not just about offloading work, it's about trusting your team and providing them with opportunities to grow and developing their skills. When done effectively, delegation can lead to increased team productivity and allow you to focus on higher level strategic tasks that require deep concentration. If you're not sure where to start, you can start by assessing your current workload and identifying tasks that others can handle. Train and mentor your team members to take on these responsibilities and provide them with the resources and authority that they need to succeed. This not only liberates your schedule, but also fosters a culture of accountability and empowerment within your team. The last and the final tip is to create a deep work ritual. Establishing a consistent routine can signal to your brain that it's time to focus deeply. This could be as simple as starting your deep work sessions at the same time every day, or it could involve creating a specific environment conducive to concentration. You may consider setting up a quiet workspace, using noise cancelling headphone, or employing techniques like Pomodoro technique to maintain focus. Whatever ritual that you choose, make it a consistent practice that can help you enter a state of flow more easily. Additionally, communicate your deep work schedule to your teams and colleagues. Let them know when you will be unavailable for meetings or interruptions and encourage them to respect this time. You may do this in your calendar by highlighting clearly what time is your focus time. This set a precedent that deep work is a priority and should be protected. To summarize, making time for deep work as a busy manager is not just about better time management. It's about making intentional choices that prioritize focus and strategic thinking. By theming your work days, knowing your priorities, separating strategic and tactical work, delegating effectively, and creating a deep work ritual, you can claim your time and enhance your productivity. Remember that the ability to engage in deep work is a superpower in today's fast paced, distraction free environment. By implementing these strategies that I have shared, you can not only accomplish more, but also you lead your team with greater clarity and purpose. I wish you all the best in your journey towards more focused and meaningful work.